Cat want fish? Fish cost 5 bones. Cat only have 2 bones. Cat sad. But cat has idea. Cat go to
More
Big Cat
bones.
Bank. Big Cat Bank say, we give you 5 bones now.
Pay back
You pay
more
us back later, but you pay back 6 bones. Cat thinks, that's only 1 extra bone. Cat hungry now. Cat takes the deal. This is debt. Cat owes Big Cat Bank more bones than Cat borrowed. Cat buys fish. Cat eats fish. Life is good, but Cat still owes Big Cat Bank 6 bones. And Cat only earns 3 bones a month. So Cat goes back to Big Cat Bank. Big Cat Bank says, we give you more bones, but you pay back even more later. Cat thinks, that seems fine. I earn bones every month. Cat borrows more. Cat buys more fish. Life is good. But now Cat owes Big Cat Bank 12 bones. And Cat still only earns 3 bones a month. Cat will take 4 months just to pay back bank. And during those 4 months, Cat still needs fish. So Cat borrows more bones. This is called a debt spiral. Cat borrows bones to pay for fish, then borrows more bones to pay back old bones, then borrows more bones to pay back those bones. Cat is always behind. Why is debt not always bad? If Cat borrows bones to open a fish shop, Cat can sell fish to many other cats. Fish shop makes many bones. Cat pays back Big Cat Bank. Cat still has bones left over. This is good debt. But if Cat borrows bones just to buy more fish than Cat can eat, Cat gets fat and broke. This is bad debt. The difference? Good debt makes Cat more bones than Cat borrowed. Bad debt makes Cat less bones than Cat borrowed. Interest is what makes debt dangerous. Interest is the extra bones Cat owes Big Cat Bank for borrowing. The longer Cat waits to pay back bank, the more extra bones Cat owes. Interest grows like a fish that keeps getting bigger. Cat that pays back quickly owes a little extra. Cat that waits too long owes a lot extra. Some cats borrow so many bones, they can never pay back. Cats call this bankruptcy. Cat has no more bones. Cat has no more fish. Cat very sad. So remember cats. Debt is just borrowing bones from the future. Sometimes very smart, sometimes very stupid. Borrow wisely, pay back quickly, and as always, cats together strong. Please subscribe.